If you just got a new Subaru, you now have SiriusXM with 360L. Cool, right? Or if you have an eligible older model, keep an eye out for upcoming over-the-air software updates to enjoy SiriusXM with 360L services. So, what does this all mean? Well, with hundreds of channels of music, sports, and talk, plus thousands of hours of on-demand shows and podcasts, you now have the most advanced entertainment experience ever offered in Subaru vehicles. And even better, you can make this experience truly your own with a wide range of customizable features. Let's dive in. Whether it's your favorite artist, channel, or sports team, your listener profile helps you stay up to date on the latest entertainment and provides custom recommendations across music and on-demand content. Your in-vehicle listener profile can easily be linked with your SiriusXM app for continued listening outside of your vehicle, so you can enjoy that podcast even after you reach your destination. Plus, there's room for 4 other friends and family members to set up their own listener profiles. Because while you all enjoy classic rock, not everyone shares Dad's love for polka. For personalized recommendations, press For You. Here, you'll find SiriusXM recommended content based on your listening history. When you hear something you really love, tap Related to discover more music, channels, and shows that keep the current vibe going. SiriusXM offers a host of exclusive on-demand shows, interviews, and original podcasts. Just choose your category, and the on-demand content link will be right at the top. Maybe you're into dance pop. Maybe football, maybe both. If you're a superfan, you can always have your finger on the pulse with real-time notifications for music and sports. The game is going down, but you're stuck in traffic. Sit back and tune in. Select Sports and then go to the Live Sports category, where you'll find all your favorite sports and teams in one location. The Live Sports play-by-play feature lets you see the current score of the game, the current quarter or period, and which team currently has the ball, or puck if you're into that. Live Sports play-by-play also lets you listen to the audio from either team's home broadcasters. Just click on the team logo to switch between audio from the home or away team. Whether you listen live to one of over 190 extra music channels or press play on any of the thousands of hours of on-demand shows, podcasts, sports, and specials, there's always something new to discover. So dive in and explore SiriusXM with 360L in your new Subaru. It's your entertainment, exactly how you want it.